our base.
Yeah, it tastes bad.
You ate it?
Just a good though.
Marmalade.
Careful before you smell. There might be a bee.
I know, that's what I do. What about this one? Purple roses? Oh, pink.
Oh, this one smells good.
Really?
Smells like that yellow one.
Really? Can I smell?
You're right.
Yeah.
Smell this one exactly. Has a strong scent.